Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making our crab salad stuffed pitas. So, first thing we need to do is make our vinaigrette, or our dressing for our crab salad. We've got some salt, fresh cracked black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, got some orange juice. You could use orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, any citrus will work. Some red wine vinegar. And some minced ginger. A little bit of chopped cilantro. Mix together. Okay, we're going to go in with our crab meat. We have some celery, it's been diced, some red onion, minced. Bring this all together. Okay, we have our pitas. Got some lettuce leaves, which we've just torn and placed inside. Place our crab salad mixture inside the pita. Our lettuce. Alright, and all that's left to do is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.